In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new add-ins in Outlook. Add-ins are small tools that extend what Outlook can do, like helping you schedule meetings faster, save email templates, or connect to your favorite productivity apps. We'll walk through this in the web version of Outlook, keeping it simple and clear from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. You're looking for the trusted Microsoft result, so you land in the correct place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your usual Outlook account to reach your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook, look toward the top of the page for the More Apps option. This is part of the App Launcher area, and it helps you discover integrations available inside Outlook. Click it to open the menu, and you'll see a list of tools and shortcuts that work with your mailbox. Next, select Get Add-ins. This opens the Add-ins pane, sometimes called the Office Add-ins Store. Here you can explore featured options, browse by category, or jump straight to the search bar if you already know what you want. Use the search box to look for the app or add-in you'd like to add. When you see it in the results, click it to view details. This page will show what the add-in does, the permissions it needs, user ratings, and whether it's free or requires a subscription. If you're using a work or school account, be aware that your administrator may control what you can install. If something is restricted, you might see a message about needing approval. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook will ask you to confirm, so click Continue to approve the permissions and finish the installation. The add-in will install in the background, and you should see a confirmation that it was added successfully. After it's installed, you can usually find the Add-ins button on the Outlook toolbar, in the message reading pane, or when composing a new email. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or opening a message to reveal the add-in commands available there. Many add-ins also offer a Manage or Settings option, so you can adjust preferences later. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, went to More Apps, selected Get Add-ins, found what you needed, added it, and confirmed. You're now ready to enhance your Outlook experience with tools that fit the way you work.